Well, we are back and the Opel is loaded. So here it is. We're gonna take it out of here and we'll take some more movies when we get it home. There's somebody waiting on us right now.
Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to put this video together because just a few months ago we had the opportunity to once again nab another Opel GT for the collection here. This is an Opel I've been tracking for quite a number of years actually. When I was in high school, another fella that was a couple years older than I am had this Opel GT, and we were the only two guys that had him in school, the only two cool guys. I've always known about this car. His was in better shape than mine. Him and his dad had kind of fixed it up from being wrecked, or had somebody fix it up, and mine was just, you know, strung together at the time with baling wire and things that I had to do when I was a 16-year-old kid. And so we both had the cars, and after high school we kind of, you know, lost track of each other. But then later, you know, in life, we hooked back up several years ago. Saw him in passing and asked him about the car, and he had confirmed that it was still around, that it was at his dad's house, and that yeah, they still owned it. And so I was pleased as punch that was the case. And we kind of let sleeping dogs lie at that point, and had contact with him a couple other times, but and I'm not going to bore you with the details of those conversations. But I was actually seeking that car out when I was looking for my my silver Opel, the one I eventually fixed up here and found in Colorado. I had reached out to him about this one, and you know, he was kind of unsure of whether or not he really owned the car, because his dad kind of owned it when he was when this fellow was in high school, and fixed it up for him, and he kind of thinks the title's in his dad's name. And so I kind of let it drop, and of course got the car that you see in my other videos that we restored. We got it in Colorado. Well, wasn't last year now, I keep losing track of time because of COVID, but in 2019 we had a car show here in town, and the guy's father showed up, seeing my Opel, and was amazed to see it, and he started sharing with me, and he's trying to tell me who he was, and I said, I know exactly who you are. And I said, I've been tracking on your car for a long time, and I knew it was in your garage, and I guess now transferred to a shed. Opel stalker. But he told me that he would like to see it sold, and he would like to see it go to a good home, than somebody that's going to take care of it. And so, like I said, it was like in maybe the beginning of fall or somewhere around in that area. We had the opportunity to go see the car in a tomb, which was just a little shed the guy was using. I had the car sitting in the corner there, you know, we were able to go talk to him and make a deal on it and bring it home. And this one's for my son, and so you know, this video is going to be a good starting point to probably a longer project, although for now we're just going to get it running so we can drive around. So I hope you enjoy.
Alright, we're going to get this Opel GT out of here. It's been sitting for 35 years. It's a barn find that we knew was here for a long time. See, it's 1970. It's been in here for a long time. So we're going to hook it up and drag it out of here for Mr. Titus. We're going to take it out and wash it. Oh! Yeah. He's missing his, we had a little pin. Did you find is the pin, or oh, you got a bolt? I got you. All right, we're gonna get it out of here. Yeah, you need to get inside. It won't steer itself.
The lock here.
What?
It's broken on the lock.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, we got more. Don't push the brake pedal. Whatever you do, don't push the brakes. Otherwise, the cylinder will pop out in the back. Is the key on? Looks like it is. All right, just get ready to steer. Look out for stuff. I'll help direct you. Yeah. Yeah, you're good on this side. Oh, you're fine.
Okay.
Yep, it's fine. Keep her coming. Hey. Seen the light of day in a while. We got some bubblies down on this side. It's got some problems. Alright, we're going to wash it and see what it looks like. Alright, we're going to do a little run around on this car before we get it washed off. As you can see, it's busted in the back here.
Hey, pal.
Everything looks good. There's not a lot of rust on it or anything.
Definitely gonna need new windshield wipers.
Windshield. You're worried about windshield wipers. What's that?
The remnants of the muffler
Oh.
and exhaust pipe.
Okay, we'll grab those.
I don't know if it is any value to you or not, but
We've got some bubbles down here. Paint is not the greatest. They've let it run. But overall, not too bad. We'll do a little more walkthrough when we're home. I'm gonna get out of the way because he's gonna wash it. Get rid of 30 years of dust. First wash in 30 years. The previous owner here wants to see it in its glory before he gives it up. Which is fine. How long has it been since it's been washed?
at least 10 years.
Oh, 10 years? Oh.
At least 10.
So that's not 30 years of dust.
No.
You had it in your garage first, didn't you?
It's been in the garage 20 years, but
Another 10
I
out
had it
here.
out one time. That's when I knew that the right rear brake.
Oh, we're frozen.
up.
Right. It looks better washed.
Yeah, always looks better wet.
Who painted it when it was painted?
It was painted down a Marshall, and
Oh.
I don't remember the name of the person.
Oh, the fellow that did the body work up front did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotcha. It's got a little more problems than I remember. I think I'm glad I did get the other pack. The front of this one isn't the greatest. Gonna need some good sponging. Gonna need some good sponging later on.
Probably need new windshield wipers.
Yeah, that's what Titus was just saying. I'm like, well, that's trivial. We'll get the foamy brush after this.
They don't pop up.
Did you try pushing them?
They don't pop up. They can't. They get caught by
They get caught on the hood.
the... Yeah,
Oh,
you
no
can't
kidding.
lift them up.
Oh.
I mean, that's just how this
Here, keep recording. You mean it's stuck?
No, like it gets caught on the hood,
like
so you
yours
can't
does.
lift them up
Can't lift them up out of the way.
unless you open the hood.
Oh, because the hood was open.
yeah.
Because the hood is closed.
Because the hood is closed, so you can't lift them up.
Look,
Doesn't have anything
look.
to do with it.
It's like Layton's.
Oh, you're talking about the wipers. I was talking about the headlights, dude.
When did we start talking about the
Work
headlights?
pretty well.
Try and see. I honestly don't remember.
It's been a long time, man.
Oh yeah, it's been.
Well, the handle's on backwards.
Hey, look, there's a
That's about
spider.
work.
They did.
Almost. That one.
There they got caught.
Oh,
both
that
of
one.
them.
They're a little tight.
There's a little spider right there.
Yeah, they both caught.
That one's.
They both caught. Oh, that one's got a busted headlamp.
Both seated. Oh,
Yeah, let's take that out of there.
pull that out.
Big piece of glass in there. I can't get it out, so I guess it's not going to come out later.
Come out, I guess, when it flips. Huh?
Yeah. Not too bad. The lights work. No, there's another one of these not very far from here.
Where is that?
The vet clinic over here.
Yeah.
There's one in the back of it.
Is that right?
Belonged to Doc Taylor.
Ah.
And it's just like this one, sitting in storage for a long time.
Would you mind hopping in and close the lights?
Oh, I'll do that for you.
So I can
Yeah. I was meaning to do that anyway. I thought you might.
close.
Yeah, they look better with the lights closed.
Did it go?
Lights open. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they look solid.
Okay.
Looks pretty good, Tom. You won't want to sell it
It's
now.
going to look for a while.
I remember Bryce driving this around all the time.
You know, I don't know what the mileage is on it.
Well,
Well, we didn't drive it very many miles. Let's see if
yeah, hard telling how many it had on it when we started. It's probably high. They always are. Those door panels look really nice, Titus. I mean, they're dirty, but... Do you see it there? Looks like 01733. It looks like 1,733 miles, but I bet it's 107.
I cannot read it. Well, I'll let you get in there and look
Sure.
at it. It can't be 173.
No. I think it says 17,000 miles or 1,700 miles.
I don't know. It be around 70.
It says 1733, 1,733. So I think it's
obviously been changed.
probably been changed or it's rolled
I
over.
don't remember that happened. Maybe that could be we turned it back to 0 when we got it.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
I see.
Okay,
All right. Well, we got to go
Now-
get the trailer.
we'll let it sit here until you're ready, unless you want to take it around the front right now.
Well, we are back and the Opel is loaded. So here it is. We're going to take it out of here and we'll take some more movies when we get it home. There's somebody waiting on us right now.